Hey friends, welcome back! Looking for a healthy, egg-free option? These soft, egg-free oat muffins are heart-friendly and perfect for a healthy breakfast or snack, especially if you're aiming for weight loss. Let's get baking! 100 grams almond flour, 75-gram oat flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Whisk all dry ingredients. Set it aside. For natural sweetness, mash 200 grams of ripe banana, but don't overmash it. In another bowl, combine mashed banana, .90 grams Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt adds moisture, softness, and protein. It also helps bind ingredients together when you're not using eggs or oil. 100 grams chopped apple for natural sweetness. One teaspoon apple cider vinegar. 20 grams ground flaxseed, substitute for eggs. Mix well. 50 grams of dried blueberries. Mix them into the wet ingredients. No need to soak them in water. Blueberries add a natural sweetness, a juicy bite, and a boost of antioxidants. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. After resting, add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, or add it earlier with the wet ingredients. Mix well. The batter should be thick, with a gel-like texture. Then fold dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Fold gently until well combined. Batter should be thick but light. Add more almond or oat flour if needed. Fill the batter in the greased muffin pan 80 to 90% full. Top with walnuts. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. A toothpick should come out clean. Cool in the pan for 5 to 10 min, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. There you have it. healthy, naturally sweetened oat muffins with fruit. These muffins are soft and tender, perfectly risen, made with flax, and naturally sweetened with fruit. These heart-friendly oat muffins make a perfect breakfast or snack. If you try this recipe, let me know how you like it in the comments. If you enjoy this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.